what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for my next Halloween look in this 2018 series, I'm doing Rainbow the Clown. Rainbow is this super creepy clown that I created for you guys. Wow, we love a good alliteration. I really hope you guys like this makeup look as much as I did. I'm super happy with the outcome. And if you guys want to see how I did this super creepy clown, then go ahead and keep on watching. Starting off this tutorial, I covered my eyebrows with the Elmer's glue stick and some powder. Next I'm going to be applying this latex bald cap that I got from the Halloween store, covering the edges with some liquid latex. Going in with this red lip liner, you can use any color lip liner or eyeliner you want, and I'm going to be sketching out the mouth shape. Now I'm going in with some white face paint on a fluffy brush, and I'm applying that all over the face, bald cap, and ears. And don't forget to leave the little mouth shape that we sketched in blank. Going in with this Ben Nye white cream makeup, I'm applying that under and above the eyes, anywhere that we're going to be placing any colorful eyeshadows. Going in with this cool tone gray eyeshadow and a fluffy brush, I'm going to be applying that in the crease, under my eyes, and in the furrows of my brows. Using whatever's left on that brush, I'm going to slim down my nose. Going in with that same gray eyeshadow on a larger fluffy brush, I'm going to be applying that on the cheekbones, jawline, and going to be shading in some smile lines as well. Going in with a black eyeshadow on a small fluffy brush, I am going to define the new shape of my crease. Going to use whatever's left on that brush to continue to shade those smile lines even more. Going in with a purple eyeshadow on a small fluffy brush, I'm going to create some eye baggage underneath the new bottom crease. I'm also going to be defining the corners of that eye bag with a darker purple eyeshadow. Next I'm going in with this black eyeliner that I got from NYX, and I'm going to be sketching out the clown eye shape that I want to do. I'm going for this really round shape that I haven't done in a while, but you can do whatever shape you want. Clowns are very universal to any type of shape that you want to do. Going in with a clean fluffy brush and this blue eyeshadow from the Morphe 12P palette, I'm going to be messily blending that out around the shape that we just created. Going in with a darker blue eyeshadow from the same Morphe palette, I'm going to further define those lines that we created. Now I'm going in with the red shade from the Morphe palette, and I'm going to be messily blending that out around the shape that we created for the mouth. Going to take a dark red eyeshadow from Makeup Forever, and I'm going to define the shape of the mouth. So this part of the tutorial is totally unnecessary because I end up covering this part in white face paint later on, but I'm pretty much just cutting the crease on the two crease shapes that we created with the black, and also putting it on the eye bag that we created with the purple. Now I'm going in with a black face paint on a detail brush, and I'm going to define that crease shape that we created. I'm also going to be filling in the inner and outer corner of the eye with these little lines, making it look like a halo eye. Going to define that purple eye bag underneath the crease as well. Now I'm going to be defining the furrow of my brow. I'm also going to be creating a few wrinkles in the inner and outer corner of my eye. Now I'm going in and defining the shape we created earlier with that black eyeliner. Here I'm adding some detail and texture around that line we put down by dotting on some product, then using my finger to smudge it out a little bit. So at this point when I was doing the makeup, I thought the insides of those shapes were looking a little plain, so I decided to add some black triangles coming up from the top portion of my crease. Now I'm going to be covering up that concealer that we did earlier with some white face paint, and I'm just defining the inner part of that halo eye. So I also mysteriously lost the footage of me putting the white face paint on the lower crease and on the eye bag as well, but I did that too. Now I'm going in with a mixture of a black and red face paint, and I'm going to define the shape of the mouth. Going to paint in the entirety of the mouth with a black face paint. Now I'm going in and placing the teeth in the mouth area. I made the teeth out of Model Magic, which is a fast drying clay that you can get at any craft store. I also made the teeth into many different shapes and sizes, so there's variation. I'm going to be applying the teeth with some spirit gum. I'm going to apply it in the mouth area and to the back of the tooth and wait for them to get tacky. Now I'm going in and applying some spirit gum to the nose. For the big red clown nose, I'm going to be applying afterwards. I ripped up the clown nose to make it look a lot creepier. I also dirtied it up with some black face paint. Going in with whatever is left on that fluffy brush we used with the gray eyeshadow, I'm going to be shading the tops of the teeth to give them more dimension. Lastly, going to be applying these contact lenses that I got from scleralenses.com in the style Ichigo. To complete the look, I threw on my costume and painted my hands. I really hope you guys like this makeup look as much as I do. I'm super happy with the way this makeup turned out. I haven't done a super creepy clown like this in a really long time, so I'm super happy with the outcome. Let me know what you guys are doing for Halloween down in the comments below, since it's going to be tomorrow. I'm super excited. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you guys know when I post my next makeup look. But until next time, you guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye!